Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your social studies class. As we have already discussed in our last video of social studies about climate, so we will continue with the same as two seasons were left. So now in this video, we are going to discuss about the rainy season and the autumn. So I request you all to open your social studies book, page number 116, The Rainy Seasons. It is prepared by me, your social studies teacher, Alvina Gill. Hope you will listen very carefully and please open your books and see in your books. So let's move. The rainy season. The rainy season starts immediately after the summer season. There is heavy rainfall in some parts of India even in the month of June. This is due to the influence of the monsoon winds which blow from sea to land. They bring dark clouds and thus give heavy rainfall. As we see after this summer, our rainy season starts immediately, and there is heavy rainfall in some of the parts of India even in the month of June. This is why this is because of the monsoon winds which blow from the sea to land. They carry moisture in the air and this results in the monsoon. They bring dark clouds and thus give heavy rainfall in some parts of the India. So there are two branches of monsoon winds, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal branch. Once again, I will repeat, there are two branches of the monsoon winds, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Malabar coast is the first area to get rainfall from the monsoon winds. By the middle of July, there is rainfall in almost every part of India. The rainy season starts from the middle of June to October. The western coast of India gets more rainfall than the eastern coast. Myswaram in Meghalaya gets the maximum rainfall. It is also famous as the wettest place of the world. Rajasthan and the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat gets very little rainfall. So now we will discuss about the areas which is getting maximum rainfall and which is not getting rainfall. So here, as we have discussed, we are having two branches of monsoon wind. One is your Arabian Sea branch and second one is your Bay of Bengal branch. And the Malabar coast is the first area to get rainfall from the monsoon winds. Means Malabar coast is the area which get rainfall and is the first area to get rainfall from the monsoon winds. By the middle of July, there is rainfall in almost every part of India. As you can see, in the month of July, you are getting rainfall where you are living here right now also. Ghaziabad, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan means in all parts in the middle of July there is rainfall. The rainy seasons last from the middle of June to October means the duration of the rainy season is from middle of June to October. After October we can see the rainfall. The western coast of India gets more rainfall than the eastern coast means as comparison to eastern coast, western coast of India gets the more rainfall. Now, Myswaram in Meghalaya gets the maximum rainfall. As if somebody asks you question, please name the place where maximum rainfall is there. So the answer will be Myswaram in Meghalaya. Maizoram in Meghalaya, it gets the maximum rainfall in India. It is also famous, means this Maizoram place is also famous for its wettest place of the world, means सबसे ज़्यादा गीला रहने वाला place है Maizoram. Because why? Because Maizoram gets the maximum rainfall. Rajasthan and Rann of Kutch in Gujarat gets very little rainfall, and these two places are which get very little rainfall. The two places are Rajasthan and the Rann of Kutch. ठीक है. Now moving ahead, season of retreating monsoons or autumn. Season of retreating monsoon is also known as autumn. From October to November, southwest monsoon wind moves back from the mainland of India. This is the season of retreating monsoons. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receives rainfall in this seasons. Now this retreating monsoon or autumn, it is from October to November, and southwest monsoon winds move back from the mainland of India, means they go back. This is the season of retreating monsoon. This season is known as the autumn or the season of retreating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. Means this Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, they receive rainfall in this season, in the season of retreating monsoon or autumn. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mosem, which means seasonal reversal of the winds. Means the climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Now monsoon, this word is taken from the Arabic word mosem, and the meaning of mosem is seasonal reversal of winds. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by the monsoon wind. Due to the India's location, as India is located in the tropical region, so most of the rain is brought by the monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on the rain. As we can see, our most of the agriculture is dependent on the rain only. Good monsoons means adequate rain and bountiful crops. Okay. The climate, as you can see, our climate of India is very pleasant. So the climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Myshoram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall, whereas on the other hand, it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan in particular year. So, as we know, the climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Means the climate is mainly dependent on the factors like your location, altitude, distance from the sea, and the relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. That's why in some regions, some other weather is there, other climate, it is mainly affected by the these factors. Okay. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in Rajasthan are very hot, as we have the same country and different places we have different climate. As we can see, Jaisalmer and Bikaner in Rajasthan, they are very hot, while Dras and Kargil and Jammu Kashmir, they are freezing cold. Means Jaisalmer and Bikaner are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate, and coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata, they are having the moderate climate. They are neither too nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. मीन्स कोस्ट में तो इनकी एयर में मॉइस्चर बहुत रहता है, दैट्स वाई दे आर वेरी ह्यूमिड. Mysuru in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. Means the Mysuru in Meghalaya, it receives the world's highest rainfall in the world. Okay, not in India, in the world it receives the highest rainfall. Whereas on other hand, it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan in a particular area. So from these things we can understand that the climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea and the relief. Now add to your knowledge climatic zone. Close to the equator, the sun's warmth is strong as it climbs high in the sky at midday. Closer to the poles, the sun warmth is weaker as it climbs less high. Climatic zones which affect vegetation can be further classified by the physical features. Now we'll go through the quickies. Climate, the average weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Humid, relatively high level of water vapor in the atmosphere. Weather, day to day changes in the atmospheric conditions. Retreating monsoon, moving back of monsoon winds. Loo, hot, dry winds which blow in summer. Monsoon winds, winds that bring rainfall. Bountiful, large in quantity, freezing below 0 degrees Celsius. Let us revise. Let's have the look and the small in points. There is a summary of the chapter. The climate is influenced by the location of the place where we live. The main seasons in our country are the winter season, summer season, rainy season, and the season of retreating monsoon, that is your autumn. During summers, the weather remains generally hot and dry. The winter season starts roughly in the month of November and continues up to the month of February. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, and distance from the sea. So, students, by this we have completed our chapter. So, now I request you to please read the chapter once again, these chapters, so that you can understand more clearly, and read the lesson once again carefully, understand the chapter, different things about the climate. Till then, these are the main points which you have to revise. Let us revise. Please carefully read and please try to learn the quickies. That is very important. So, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay at home. And read your lessons and study at home. Thank you.